in this video we're going to install the MIUI 9.2 or Redmi 2, and I'm going to solve a problem which is called the error 7. So let's get started with this video. After wiping the everything except the micro SD card, and you can also just wipe the internal to get the more space to install the applications, and just in a fraction of seconds done. You can see the file, the 9.2.3 MIUI, and just wipe the cache and have the cache. Go back again, tap to install. You have to install the ROM. Or Redmi 2 Prime ROMs on Redmi 2. So thanks for watching. This is Manik. I'm signing off.